This is machine 3. Currently is not running at the moment. Nothing wrong, just don't have a part for it right now. Same as forward. This is machine 2. It's currently running. These are the parts we're running on this machine as we speak. All tolerances are about the same as on the ones on forward. A little bit different part, but same idea. Same idea. This machine is currently running. You can tell it. Actually, you can see in this one just a little bit better than glass and a little cleaner. Yeah, I did back here on the conveyor, but these are parts that have been run today. Bar feeder, same as forward, Patriot 551, 12 foot, I'll handle a 12-foot bar. 257 parts left on that bar. Bar feeder, as you can see, clean. We wipe all bar stock before we put it in there, always have. Everything. Those are some drops off the parts we've been running, etc.
Your medical